If I had to start my business all over again in 2026, without any audience, no followers, and no email list, nothing, here's exactly what I would do. Because the truth is, I've made all the mistakes already. I've wasted money on tools I didn't need. I tried to do everything myself, and I spent way too long trying to look ready. But if I had to start from zero again today, I could rebuild faster, smarter, with more freedom than ever before. And if you're watching this right now and you're thinking, can I really start over? Yes, you absolutely can. I'm going to show you how. Stay with me because I'm not just giving theory. I'm walking you through the exact 5 steps I take, the same steps that took me from a tired beauty business owner to a multiple 6-figure digital entrepreneur who gets to work from home with peace and purpose. Let's dive in. Step 1 is pick a proven vehicle, not a passion project. When I started online, everyone said, follow your passion if you wanted to sell your own digital products. So I did. I tried to build some offers that I loved, but no one wanted to buy. So if I started again in 2026, I would do it differently. I'd pick a proven vehicle, something that already has demand, proof of results, people that are already making money from it. For example, digital products, affiliate marketing systems, or done-for-you programs. They already work. You just bring your story and your energy. Back in my beauty business, I was exhausted. I loved what I did, don't get me wrong, but I couldn't scale it. If I wasn't behind that treatment bed, I wasn't earning. When I discovered digital systems, I realized the vehicle matters more than the effort. So don't build something that only runs when you do. If you're not automating, you're just changing jobs. You're not creating freedom. Ask yourself, can this make money while I'm resting? If not, it's not the right vehicle. But once you've chosen the vehicle, the next step is where most beginners freeze, and it's not what you think. Step 2 is build your system before you build your brand. Everybody thinks branding comes first. Your logos, your colors, your photo shoots. But that's wrong. If I started over in 2026, I'd focus on my system first. You see, a system is how you get traffic, capture leads, and turn those leads into sales. It's your funnel, your emails, your follow-up, the part that actually makes you money. I'd use something simple like my digital magnetic system because it already has the funnels, the products, and the automation that's already done for you. You just plug it in, personalize it, and it's working for you 24/7. If you want to know how that works, I'll link it down below. When I first started, I spent weeks building the perfect websites when I tried to sell my own programs. Guess how many people saw it? 0. Now I spend that same time setting up automations that sell for me while I'm living my life. Don't post endlessly on social media without having a place to send people to. Traffic without a system is like water through a broken bucket. It just leaks away. A tip for you here is to get your first funnel live within a week. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be published. Now, once your system is live, how do you actually get people into it? That's where the next step changes everything. Step 3 is creating content that connects, not just converts. If I started over, I would stop trying to sound like a marketer and I would just start talking like a human. Content is not about perfection. It's about connection. People want to relate with you, right? In 2026, people don't want more ads. They want authenticity. They want to see your story, your lessons, your journey. When I first started sharing online, my videos were so awkward. I stumbled. I said 100 times. I over-explained. But those videos are the ones that build trust because they showed I was real, not some highlight reel, you see? A mistake to avoid is don't post once and then just disappear. Consistency really builds credibility and stop waiting to feel confident. You'll never feel ready, I promise you. Confidence comes from repetition, taking action repetitively. Think of your content as seeds. Each post is planting trust. Some will sprout immediately, some later, but if you keep planting, the harvest always comes. But here's the truth, even with good content, most people still don't make money because they miss this next step. Step 4 is sell before you build. If I started in 2026, I would use my favorite strategy. Sell it first, build it later. This is the fastest way to create cash flow, proof, and confidence. I would pre-sell a workshop, a template pack, or a training before even creating a single thing. Why? Because money confirms the market. It validates your offer. My first time doing this, I had 5 people pay me before I even bought the course. That little launch gave me the motivation and income to create something amazing. Ask your audience first. Let them vote with their wallets. This is how you validate your offer before you even create it. You can sell an idea with just one landing page and a short video explaining the outcome. If people buy, build it. If not, tweak it and test it again. Now, you might be wondering, once the sales come in, how do you keep them coming consistently without burning out? This is step 5, automate, scale, and serve. This is where freedom happens. If I had to start over again, I would make sure everything I build can run without me. That means automation, delegation, and clear systems. I would use email sequences, pre-scheduled content, and evergreen offers that keep selling, even when I'm offline, because true success isn't about working all the time. It's about working on what matters. When I built my first automated funnel, I was nervous to step away, seriously. But the first morning I woke up to sales that I didn't even touch, it just hit me. I wasn't chasing money anymore. Money was now chasing me. That's a pretty good feeling. A mistake to avoid here is don't confuse busyness with progress. If you're always doing, you'll never scale. Set 1 day a week for building your systems and the rest for living. You know, God didn't design us to hustle endlessly. He designed us to create, rest, and multiply what's in our hands. And the best part, anyone can do this, even if you are starting from scratch. If I had to start my business over in 2026, I would just pick a proven system, build my foundation first, show up online with heart, and just sell before I build, and then automate everything that can be automated. That's how you create peace and profit. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had to start over this year, what's the one thing you would do differently? I want you to comment below because I read every single comment. And if you're ready to stop guessing and follow the same step-by-step system that helped me rebuild from scratch and scale past 6 figures, you need to go watch my free training. It's going to blow your mind. I'm going to link that below. Because you see, the truth is you don't need to start perfect. You just need to start smart. It works if you work. I've hustled all my life. If working hard made you rich, I would be a multi-billionaire by now, and I'm sure you would agree with me. It's working smarter that really moves the needle. I'm able to spend time with my friends, spend time with my family, be a present mom without that constant pressure of bringing income in. I don't know what your situation is right now, but one thing I do know is if you learn new skills on how to start and launch an online business, you will forever change your life. So I hope this video helped you because I've shared the 5 steps with you that I wish someone shared with me a long time ago. If I knew then what I knew now, I would have been there when my kids were small and not have to go work all the time. I want to leave you with this one tip. Don't overthink. A lot of people overthink. They overthink because they ask themselves, can I do this? Will this really work for me? We look at our own limitations. And the truth is, you can do anything you set your mind to. Don't overthink. Just start doing, learn from someone that's already done it before, and you will shave off years of trial and error. That's exactly why I do what I do and why I created DMS. So if you want to go check that free training, how I went from broke to making multiple 6 figures online as a stay-at-home mom without any experience, and I started with a brand new social media account when I started, you can do this too.